If you like the video, please tell us by clicking the like button to encourage us to upload more similar clips.
So, as we said, we're gonna fix the flat top by BUZZCUT, number 2 on top, skin fade, high fade. Yeah, I'll do my best.
Thanks.
Well, I'll book number 2 first, and we'll see if you don't like it, or we're gonna do more short maybe. When you've done it? Yesterday? Yesterday or 2 days ago?
Yesterday afternoon.
Yesterday afternoon, yeah, because I don't know. He's done skin fade?
Yeah.
I think should be alright with number 2. I don't know what's happening here. You losing here, or he just went a little bit high?
No idea.
I don't know. I told you at the beginning, I told you I was going to do my best because you just done it yesterday. So I can't see what he done exactly, what's the wrong with it. Yeah, but, so that's why I have to start over.
Yeah.
I have to put my numbers, you know. Like,
No, it's okay. Thank you.
So I will show you The fade is nice from the sides, everything fixed, but I'm just wondering about the top, see?
Yeah.
Because the top, they done it very short last
You have
time.
to do it one.
Yeah, but actually, you know, like no one will notice it, you know, like unless if someone taller than you, and I think you are. Your length is more than enough to hide it, mate.
What are you doing that side here? That's why we have a line.
What's the option to fade in that on top number one?
No option, because even if I do number one, they done it very short last time, even more than half.
Right. Okay, so it's not.
So yeah, lower than half. So even if I do number one, you know, like if the number one fix will fix it, I will suggest number one straight away. But the problem, you know, like they almost shaved it last time.
Yeah, no, I understand.
So Oscar suits you more.
Yeah?
Oscar suits you more, believe me.
Yeah, feels nice.
Yeah.
How short will number one take that? Just out of interest.
What was that?
How short will number one take that?
Number one, just 3 millimeters.
Right.
So half what do you get right now?
Right, okay, but I wouldn't fade that in, would it?
You want to try number one? Yeah, do it, yeah.
See if you can fade it in.
Why not? I don't mind. What are we gonna lose? We lose. What are we gonna lose? We lose nothing. So yeah, do number one. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, my friend. Yeah, much better. But still.
Yeah, no.
See, my friend.
Number 2 on the side, in the back.
Please shave it off. Please. Shave his hair off.
It's much shorter, isn't it?
What is that?
Number 1, it's much shorter.
Yeah. I told you. It's a 3 millimeters, yeah?
Oh, okay, so it's okay. Not bad though. I think I'll pull off the buzz cut. Right? What do you think I'll pull off the buzz cut?
I told you the buzz cut suits you, yeah. Most of my customers, they try the buzz cut, they ask for it again and again. It's not just about nice, easy to maintain, mate. You don't even have to think about it. You just wake up in the morning and that's it. Here we go. Good?
Yeah, no, good.
If you want to go more short, I'll shave it off. No, I like still, I know it is still like half now, sort of half, but it's too hard to see it.
How long would it take for my hair to grow back if I shave it all off?
If you want to shave it off,
I'm just saying, how long would it take to grow back?
I would say like to get this length, 1 week,
About a week?
yeah, to get this much of length. You want to shave it off?
I don't know.
Whatever
I
you
don't know how it would fall. That's the thing. I mean, I wonder if I can pull it off.
I can't say anything. You have to try. You have to try to know if you like it or not. But it's not going to be like this your head shape. If this is your head shape, so you like to see it like that. So you will like the bald then.
I'll probably keep this if that's okay.
If you don't mind, I don't mind. If you want to bald it, I will bald it for you. Keep it like that.
Yeah. What's bald it with a razor? Is it or?
You want to do it by the razor? You want to do it by shaver?
Oh, okay. I'll keep it like this. It's okay. Jeez, I'm sorry.
I don't want to say anything. Do you know why? Because sometimes I suggest something and the customers they say, nah, too short, so I don't want to put myself in trouble. So that's why I'm waiting for you to decide whatever you want. I can do it. I don't mind.
Keep your straight. Keep it straight up.
You know what? Next time you'll come back to me asking for BUZZCUT again. I told you, it's happened to me like a lot of times. My customers, they try first and they keep asking for it. Happy with it?
Say again?
Happy with it?
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for.
First choice barber.